Welcome to our channel, Sailing Until Valhalla. This is Anthony, my fix-anything, mouthy captain, and our three crazy kids, Dean, Lance, and Rose. And I'm Stephanie, the one who makes the videos, wrangles the kids in while helping run the boat. Come along with us on our journey of exploring the world full-time on a hardened 45 sailboat, chasing the next adventure. This area is called Desolation Sound, and the orange blip here is where we are currently in Grace Harbor, and the route we are taking is to get over to what is called Prideaux Haven, which is our next location. Okay, so we just left Grace Harbor going to Prideaux Haven, which has a couple of different coves and harbors in it that are also super protected. We just wanted to check something else out since the wind isn't super bad, and just kind of start, I don't know, exploring here. But it's not a nice day, as you can see. It's raining and it's kind of foggy, so not always nice boating, but we really wanted to go to the other place because it looks like it has more for the kids. So, but yeah, we're possibly going into fog, so that's fun. We always love that. But yeah, we'll make it work.
Oh, you can't see my eyes.
That might be a good song, that Boulder one too.
Yeah. There are so many jellyfish. Got a video.
No boy. These are actually a good
They're like at the surface.
Yeah, I know.
Jelly,
Nothing. It looked like there were a lot of them on that guy. It's so pretty.
One more time on the slow. What? You say beach one more time, I'm gonna slow. You just said it. I know, but you said it, I'm gonna slow. Hello.
Hi, buddy.
Look at the water, show how clear it is. It's actually still coming from deep.
This is hands down one of the most beautiful places I have ever seen. The water is so crystal clear and it just snakes through all of these islands.
You know how much I saw? What? Free. Oh, that too. How much did you see again? Free. Free of what? Yeah. Sea stars. Sea stars? 3 sea stars? Yeah.
Seashells by the seashore. Are you videoing me?
Yes.
No, he is. There's another camera on the boat now. See the shore.
I videoed that too.
I love that. Mine.
Get off.
So unique, yeah. You're just so tiny as shit.
Hey, see, we're off lead.
This was one of those clusters of islands and we just had to go and see it because you could definitely tell you could take the dinghy in here, and it went from deep to very shallow right away, and it was just really cool. We just couldn't pass it up. We might want to, yeah. Getting pretty shallow.
I want to get some. I can go off the ankle.
It looks so cool. Where'd you go up from?
He's taking pictures of the dinghy.
Oh.
I was trying to blank you guys.
We're not really moving. We're moving like a quarter mile away, not even, to just another cove that's slightly more protected, and it just looks really pretty here. And but it's we're lifting the anchor now, and Tony is teaching the kids how to lift the anchor for the first time, because we usually have them down below because it's too stressful usually with them. But it's really calm in here, so it's kind of the perfect time to show them.
You do this, it pulls it. You do this, it pulls it. See, they go this, even though this goes different ways, it reels it up. Okay, let Rose try.
Okay.
Oh, harder, harder. Might be too little. Here, grab up here, Rosie. Grab up here.
Makes it easier.
There you go. There you go. Weight into it, you can lean on it. So this is what's called leverage. See, the higher up you go, the farther away, the better it is. So put your hands up here, Dean. Here, I'll do it again. Kind of get over to the middle. Hey, bump it.
I wanted to try to do the stern anchor this time and take the rope all the way, but you will soon find out that it does not go according to plan.
Shit! Shit! Haul it like crazy. God, you can't do anything. My bad, I walked away from it. It's right here in the corner. Oh, see, it's spooling. Keep going, keep going. You're going faster than the spool. Holy shit. Holy crap, it's like right there. You can grab it. You can grab it. This is crazy. Nice, babe. Fuck yeah. You're a stud. But the girl version. You still want to do it, or do you want me to take it?
I can do it.
Yeah, here. Alright, you're good. Tie it off. It's fine.
It's okay, honey. I had it.
You did
Now
great.
we're all good.
I'm gonna let some more anchor chain out.
We decided to go on a hike that was right in Melanie Cove to what was a lake at the end of it.
Yeah. Ferns are, there's a bunch of ferns. Stop. Hey, be prepared. More ferns are gonna stop you. Oh. Well, let's see. Right in the front.
He's being so sweet to her.
That's supposed to be funny.
It's the skull cap again. Oh.
There's a lot of those.
I do. We found it. Right. It's called a witch's butter. It's edible. It said. It's also called yellow brain, but it's edible, but it's not very appealing at first because it's kind of slippery. Feel it. Can we? Yeah. Here, feel it.
Yikes, that looks gross. That was like snot.
It's edible, but it's called.
You don't eat chicken nuggets, so you want to eat that.
Ew. I don't want to eat it. It's edible.
Let's pass on that one. That's it.
Don't die.
Oh, Ro, come on. This hike was pretty high in elevation, and as you can see here, we were pretty high up from the lake, which just went from this to a drop, so this was the end of the trail.
Those skull caps are really poisonous. I think I saw a lot of those in our backyard when we were at the house. We did see some, right?
Yeah, quite a few places we saw. What you looking at? Okay, be careful, please. They literally like form with the rocks.
So today we've got
Next episode, we get into, of course, another project, and it turns out to be a big one. Please like, comment, and share this video. It really does help push our videos, and of course, subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching our videos. We do really appreciate it.